guys, today I have a bonus video for you. This video review is a little bit different than what I normally review and talk about on my channel, so I thought I would post it as a bonus video. I was sent some products from Carbon Coco, which is an Australian company, to test and review for you guys, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. They sent me the Ultimate Carbon Kit, and I will tell you a little bit more about the company. So they're really about providing all-natural, cruelty-free teeth whitening products. All of the products in the kit came in a little bag. Mine's kind of dirty because I've had these products for a while. I wanted to give them a good run, give them a good test before I gave you my review. This product I think is their kind of staple product. It's the Carbon Coco Original Natural Teeth Whitening, and this is a powder that you use to whiten your teeth. I will insert a demo of me using this powder. I actually filmed that a while ago, so I will look a little different. My hair is probably longer than what it looks like right now, but you will see how these products work. I will show them to you. This is a finely milled medical grade coconut activated charcoal powder. Since it's charcoal based, yeah, it is even blending in. There we go. Like I mentioned before, they're about being natural, so this is an alternative to using something more harsh like whitening strips or whitening pens. Those can have ingredients in them that may make your teeth feel a little more sensitive, or they're a bit harsh. Also in the kit is a toothpaste, which goes along with the other two items. They send you a tongue scraper and a toothbrush. On the back of the toothpaste, it gives you instructions on how to use these products. It says, step 1, first brush your teeth with the activated charcoal tooth polish. So that's what's in the jar. So you're gonna wet your brush, dip it into the powder, and brush your teeth with this black powder. Now, I will say you need to be careful when you do this because you will get black powder in your sink. Make sure to really rinse it down. It will kind of leave a residue in your sink if you're not good about washing it up. Then you lightly rinse and expel the charcoal from your mouth. Brush with activated charcoal toothpaste. Do not swallow, spit out, and rinse after use. Brush at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist. For best results, use with activated charcoal tooth polish, and it's recommended for ages 12 and up. The toothpaste is also black, just like the powder is, which is kind of weird when you think about it. You can tell that I've used a good amount of this. So when you apply it to your toothbrush, it goes on like a regular toothpaste would, but then as you brush, it turns to not so much a black shade anymore. It becomes like a grayish white foam in your mouth, which sounds kind of gross, but out of all of the things in this ultimate kit, the toothpaste has to be my favorite. The toothpaste makes my mouth feel really clean, which I really like about it. I highly appreciate that they included the tongue scraper and the toothbrush because whenever you try powder type teeth whiteners, they're gonna make your toothbrush turn sort of a gray color. And this one comes with gray bristles, so you don't have to worry about getting your regular toothbrush all gray looking. The tongue scraper helps because then if you have any leftover charcoalness on your tongue, you can scrape it right off. I've used a charcoal powder to whiten my teeth in the past before, and I will say it's not my favorite thing in the world to do, but I do think it helps. I don't think it's going to be the most amazing, like you're going to have super pearly white teeth. You may if you already have nice teeth. I am very self-conscious about my teeth. My parents couldn't afford for me to fix my teeth when I was younger. I didn't have dental insurance for a really long time. So I understand the frustration and the want to have really nice teeth, but you can't. So you really try to find these whitening products that'll do what it can when you can't afford to go to the dentist, or you have anxiety to go to the dentist, which is a combination for me. Anyway, I'm going off on a rant, but I thought I would just share with you guys that doing this video and doing this review was very difficult for me to do. And even when I thought about starting my YouTube channel, I almost didn't do it solely based off of my teeth. But let's not talk about that. The powder is okay. It's not my favorite whitening powder, but it does do the job, at least on surface stains. If you have really deep stains like I do in my teeth, it's not going to make those really look that much whiter. The toothpaste though, I'm in love with. I love this toothpaste. I feel better about using this toothpaste when I'm not necessarily as good about using the powder because I feel like I'm still getting some of the benefits of the charcoal in the toothpaste, and it tastes like mint. So I think if you are looking to try a charcoal whitening powder, this might be a good place to start. I think the ultimate kit is around $60. It's also something to look into if you're into using more natural products on your teeth. And everything fits in this bag, so if you need to travel with your product, then they already give you a nice bag to put it in. So this review was not about makeup or skincare, but I thought it would be nice to just add it in. And they did send me these products, so I wanted to update you guys on how the whole process went. Thank you so much for checking out this review. I come out with new videos every week, so please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you like my content. And I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.